Yo, this is Ben Cubbage from Elevated Trips, and we're here in Yangshuo. It's a rock climber's paradise here in Guangxi province, just about an hour drive south of Guilin. Guilin is actually on the 20 Kuai bill of China, but this is a little bit more of an authentic area as far as a little bit less tourism, but beautiful. We're right here on the Li River. Okay, we're in Yangshuo at the Cloud9 cooking school. You can see behind me there's various types of local alcohol. These are really interesting. Most of these are fermented herbs and berries, but the most interesting one is the snake. There's several dead snake bodies and they're actually fermenting and creating this really strange type of wine. Not sure if I'd try it. Okay guys, here it is, famous in China and here in Yangshuo. Actual dog meat. Sadly, this is the body of a dog that is now being chopped up and sold as meat. And behind in this market, in the Fuli market, is actually a very famous dog restaurant. Okay, we're in a local mifen shop or rice noodle shop. While you're in Yangshuo, you'll probably want to try at least one of these places. This is a pretty small little mom and pop operation. You can see just 3 tables, about 12 seats in the whole place. Here's the menu. You can see the prices here, roughly between 10 to 15 kuai for a bowl of noodles. Now, if you speak the local dialect of Guangxi, you actually get a just about 50% discount on all these prices. So these are kind of the listed tourist prices. 15 kuai is not that expensive for a bowl of noodles, about $2 US or $2.5 US. But the locals will get the same bowl that's 15 kuai for tourists, about 6 kuai. So I'm not a local, so I'm happy to pay the tourist price. But if you speak in the right dialect, they'll know and you get a discount on this menu. Okay, this is it. The most famous dish in Yangshuo, which is just very simple, rice noodles, but the toppings are key. A little bit of crispy pork on this with some pickled radish and cilantro. Very nice.